Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Crypto Daily Tracings coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening drive time update, guys. The sun's going down behind me. I'm just on my balcony, guys. I thought you guys enjoy. I've got mountains, I've got sea, I've got everything behind me, and I got you out there in YouTube land. Hey guys, it's a great time to be alive. We're seeing that Bitcoin is on fire, guys. We've got a huge emergency video. We're seeing a huge bullfrag forming right now, and we're going to see Bitcoin breaking out. We could be seeing $56,000, $57,000, $58,000 coming anytime soon. Seeing a huge breakout, guys. This is a huge emergency, guys. Also, we're seeing that the amount of Ethereum held by miners is at all-time high. We're seeing more supply shock. We're seeing more illiquid supply on the exchange. This can only mean one thing. That Ethereum is about to explode. Bitcoin's about to explode. Dogecoin is about to explode. We can also see that Dogecoin is following my Elliott wave formation exactly as I printed it on the charts. We're going to take a look at that, and we can see 35 cents coming in for Dogecoin anytime soon, guys. And also, we need to look at, right now, Tether's under the spotlight. Looks like the CEO has disappeared. His Twitter account's been deleted suddenly, and it looks like, there's more evidence growing that China, Tether and China debt is something in play. We're going to talk about that. What does that mean to you and me? We're also going to take a look at Binance. Looks like they're going to have their headquarters in Ireland. Wow, that's amazing. They have no choice because they need to have a headquarters so they can be controlled by some regulatory body, guys. Also, we're seeing that ADA is about to break out, guys. Amazing stuff. And it's a huge day in crypto. I think we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend. Also, we're seeing that right now, if Bitcoin can hit on the weekly the 2.272 Fibonacci level, this could be the highway to the promised land, and this could see $200,000 absolutely coming in. And I just want to give a big shout out to some of the most recent subscribers on my wife's channel who came from our channel, the OG Crypto Daily Trade Signals, and I just want to give a big shout out to Uma, Steve Peck, and Santa. So guys, if you go over to the wife's channel, subscribe, tell them that you're from the OG channel, we'll give you a big shout out, guys. So with that being said, remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is only for education and entertainment purposes only, guys. So get ready. Are you ready? Buckle up, guys, because you got a huge video. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing his views and opinions, and this is for educational purposes in the house, guys. Guys and gals, please make sure you go back to our channel, and please go back and watch some of the previous videos. And if you want to get a real tearjerker, do Only Good every day. This is our charity video where we give away, all the proceeds that we've been collecting for super chats, memberships, and all that stuff have been going to the good, guys. So check it out, guys. And remember, with that being said, guys, please help the OG. Let's get at least 1,000 likes on this video. Do it now, guys. Like this video. Go down there and look at this thing and like it. Don't forget to subscribe to YBA and tell the OG that you love the OG in the comment. Smack up the comments, guys. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out the merch. We got lovely merch. Go check out the merch, guys. And don't forget to check out the lovely Muggy Mug. You're gonna love it. Coffee tastes good in the Muggy Mug, guys. So get it, guys. And you can check out our merch. You can find the link in all of our descriptions. Get the Muggy Mug, guys. What are you waiting for? Get the Mug. And with that being said, let's dive into content. Hey, we got some new subscribers in the house, and these are like fresh subscribers. Welcome to the family. We got Marina. We got NOOB Gaming, we got Efron, we got Lewis, we got Julius, we got X Easters West, and we got Mia9. Welcome to the family, guys. Let's jump into the news. So we're seeing that the amount of Ethereum held by miners reaches highest level since 2016. This is really bullish news. This is huge news, and it just means that more and more confidence in the market, more everything is in the market, and you can see that more people are hodling crypto like never before, and that means that there's going to be less Ethereum on the exchanges, and we're heading into a supply shock, and that can only mean that this is going to fuel the rocket fuel that's going to take Ethereum to 10,000. It's going to take Bitcoin to 200,000. It's going to take us all the promised land that we've all been waiting for, guys. This is huge news, guys. It's great news. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So let's take a look at the market cap, and we jump into some more news. So right now, the market cap is at 2.36 trillion, and I told you, guys, I've been pounding on the tables. I told you we're going to hit 2.5 trillion this week. It's coming. We've still got 2 days and 14 hours before the week closes on this candle, and I believe that 2.5 trillion is absolutely doable, guys. It's a great time to be live. Another news story that's coming in right now, we can see that, I told you guys earlier that we had this whole big Bloomberg expose came out, and has anyone seen Tether's billions? And since then, we've seen that the Tether CEO, his Twitter account's gone. He seems like he's in the wind, guys. He's disappeared. And then this article that just came out like hours ago, 15 hours ago, the stablecoin issuer may hold questionable assets at Bloomberg BW reports and claims. So some of the takeaways from this article is, according to Bloomberg, stablecoin issuer Tether has extended billions of dollars in loans to Chinese companies. Okay. The value of these loans backing Tether stablecoin reserves could be a risk factor for the crypto industry. Meaning, if there's suddenly a run on Tether and everybody says, "I want my Tether," and they start withdrawing it and they start turning it into fiat, it's going to be a problem. Tether could collapse, and if that collapses, it's going to take the whole crypto industry down with it. Luckily, I think a lot of smart people out there, I mean, particularly the more seasoned crypto holders, they're going to be changing their Tether right now to USDC. So if you're holding any Tether, this is not financial advice, but I'm changing to USDC right now, or I'm going to put it in Bitcoin and save it there for a rainy day. Tether has faced scrutiny from authorities and investigations in the past. So guys, keep an eye out on Tether. It's not looking good for Tether right now. So keep an eye and just take precautions, guys, and get ready, buckle up. If Tether does collapse, it could send the crypto markets down. Like, it could be a flash crash going down, down, big time. It would take about a month or 2 months for us to recover from that. So don't panic, guys. This is a huge. It's not FUD. This is weighing heavy on the markets right now. So a lot of people are worrying about that, but it's not affecting the markets right now because it's more. It's more talk. It's more. I don't say it's FUD. There's still a lot to be learned, a lot to know. But some of the behavior of the CEO just disappearing like that—that's kind of bizarre. If it smells like a duck, quacks like a duck, and walks like a duck, quack quack, it's probably a duck. Also, Binance is planning to establish new offices in Ireland, so this is really good news. Because they're under a lot of regulatory scrutiny, Binance needs to have a headquarters, and that way at least they'll have some regulatory body that's going to control them. And so Binance has announced that it will establish offices in Ireland. Corporate registration show the company has registered 3 new firms in Ireland, in addition to 1 other firm previously registered. And the news comes after China crypto ban and other regulatory challenges, which have led to Binance to seek out new markets. Because Binance has been under a lot of regulatory scrutiny later, Japan and Korea and the U.S. The U.S. Binance has been under a lot of scrutiny. So and it's the biggest exchange on the market, guys. So out there. So, and also remember, now you've got a KYC, and you've got to confirm, passport, address, physical address, and prove it. Do all that. If not, they're going to suspend your account. So I mean, it's a good thing. It's going to protect you. But it's also, remember, centralized exchanges are not decentralized, and they can come under regulatory scrutiny. Not only that, they can go after you for taxes, right? So that's why I always say, if you have a hardware wallet, it's really important that you can take your crypto off the exchanges and put it in a hardware wallet. And if you want to exchange crypto, you can use DEXs, decentralized exchanges, guys. So you can, be a bit more anonymous out there. So some other news before we jump into the huge main news. Cardano looks poised to break out to $2.80. I think Cardano, like I said, it's going to explode soon. Cardano has risen more than 10% in the last few hours to reach a high of $2.38. It's come back down from there a little bit, and a Cardano partnership with Elrond could have contributed to the spike in its upward pressure. So that's really good news. If buy orders continue to pile at 88, could see $2.83. So Cardano has a surge, and it appears that ADA's new partnership with Elrond could have encouraged investors to jump back in the market, because a lot of ADA investors kind of were waiting on the sidelines. Cardano's decentralized stable hub aims to make EGLD one of the first cross-chain assets to collateralize stablecoins on the platform by bridging the both ecosystem. So right now there's basically going to be a bridge between Cardano and EGLD, which is really good, and it's going to be very bullish, and it's going to allow more dApps and apps to be built on top of Cardano, and it's going to allow for more synchronicity, interoperability between those two blockchains. So that's really positive news. So let's take a look at the Cardano price in the house right now. So Cardano in the house right now. So you can see that the price of Cardano right now is $2.29. So it's pretty good. It's starting to pump up. I mean, it went as high as $2.37 earlier, so almost $2.38, like the article has. It's given back a little bit of profit right now, and it looks like we kind of have like a bull flag, tongue-tied. Oh geez, I don't know what's going on. I've been tongue-tied all day in all my videos. What's wrong with me? I don't know. I think it's time to get some of that OG coffee in the OG mug. Remember, this cup is full of joy. Check out the merchandise. Check out the merch. I love it. The OG mug's full of joy. I got a whole new joy in. And if you're watching the crazy antics of the OG and you love the OG and the crazy antics, don't forget to smash that like, guys. Remember, I like to make crypto fun. I like to make this channel fun because, you know, there's a lot of crypto channels out there and everything. So serious. We don't want to be serious. We want to have fun. We want to make crypto easy for you to understand out there because, you know, let's have fun with crypto, guys. So yeah, it looks like we could be forming a little bit of a bull flag out there. Ribbit. And I think it looks like a bit of a full bull flag. What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comments, guys. Tell me what you think. I think it's a bull flag. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty much like a bull flag to me. Yeah, and it is a pretty bullish pattern. And if it is a bull flag, it's kind of a sloppy. It's the OG sloppy bull flag right now. So yeah, it looks pretty good right now. And this means we could be breaking out the upside pretty soon. I think, you know, I definitely, like I said earlier in my other videos, $2.80 is definitely incoming. It's just a matter of time. And our next target is $2.58. And I think we could probably get ourselves giddy on back up there to those levels probably by the weekend, because I think this weekend's going to be a huge pumping up weekends, guys. So hopefully that didn't scare the kids if they're watching. And some other news that's coming in right now, we talked about Cardano. So, and guys, go back and go to Bloomberg Business Week and go read this article. It's a really long article, guys. It's super long, but it really is, you know, talks about Tether and the CEO and all of this stuff. And I would definitely read it. It's a good read, guys. And yeah, this guy's disappeared. There's a guy. You know, I mean, that's the guy that's running Tether. I'm just scared too. So, look out. All right, guys. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. So fear and greed, we're still at 74. It's still greed. So, you know, markets are heating up. Markets are going to pump. Remember, always do what the whales do. Never swim against the whales. So, you know, once we get to 100% extreme greed, then super extreme greed, that's the time to start taking profits. So remember, always take profits. A lot of newbies have a really hard time taking profits. I mean, I took profits in Solana when it was getting pretty close to 200. I'm glad I did, because Solana, since those days, has you know, it's been lucky if it's gone past up $170. So I'm still holding Solana. It's like I got about 40% of my original stake in Solana. But remember, all of that's left in Solana, I took my initial investment out, took additional profits, bought one Bitcoin with that, and everything that I've got left in Solana is pure house money. So I really don't care if it goes up or down. Of course I care, but I don't really care, because I won't. If it goes to zero, I haven't lost anything, because I took out my original investment, and I took out additional profits, and I turned that and bought one Bitcoin. Charles, my baby. So Charles is doing good. I love my Charles right now, because he's doing good. I remember like 3 weeks ago, Charles was in the doghouse, because you know, Bitcoin kept going down. I was like, what? What's that, Charles? Charles. But now Charles is, you know, he's good. He's good. I like Charles. Charles is doing a good job right now, and Bitcoin's ready. And we still have to talk about this huge pattern that we're seeing on Bitcoin, and this huge pattern could take us up to the promised land. And guys, don't forget to smash the likes as always. Also, something interesting we're seeing that right now. This is from Tech Dev. Go follow Tech Dev. He's a pretty smart cookie. You know, I think even as smart as the OG in the house. He's smart. So, and he's saying that Bitcoin has finished retest and now is on its final impulse, same as twice before. So we're seeing that there's been, you know, in the last two bull runs, when Bitcoin hits a 2.272 log Fibonacci on the logarithmic chart, we're seeing that, you know, this has been time when Bitcoin's absolutely exploded. And if this happens again, we could absolutely see 200,000 incoming for Bitcoin, guys. So this is really cool. We could see this coming in for Biddy. So we saw this here in 2013 when we saw the recent high. Then we saw a retest. And this is the 1.272 log area, and once we get to the 2.72 log area, then we know we're absolutely going to explode them. When we saw that in 2017, and now we're seeing that in 2021. And if this happens, and if you know, if this pattern, if this fractal, and if we overlay this fractal here, and we overlay this fractal here, then we could be seeing $205,000 incoming for the Bitcoin, for Charles, for, you know, I got lots of Bitcoin. I got like 45 Bitcoin. Keep that low down. Keep it low down. So, and I got all that from mining. You know, I mean, basically all the Bitcoin I'm holding, and most of the crypto I'm holding, most of the fiat I have in my bank account, it's all come from mining. I was mining for years and years and years, and so I got out of mining like about 3 years ago when I left Indonesia, and yeah, 2.5 years ago. I got out of mining when I came back to Vietnam. Supposed to come back to Vietnam for 3 months on a short trip to visit the businesses, but because of the the virus, so we end up stuck here, and we're still stuck here. We're still on kind of lockdown here, and it's been since July 14th or 15th. It's crazy, guys. I don't know when this is going to end. And I don't know when it's going to end. Time for coffee. Just thinking about making me depressed. Get the mug, guys. Hopefully you guys are smashing up those likes out there. Hopefully you're doing. Smash up the likes, guys. Hope you're doing it. So it looks like easy peasy Japanesey. We could be looking at 200,000 Bitcoin price coming in, and this also leads credence to, if we look at this amazing pattern that we just seen. Let's take a look at that pattern, and then we jump into Dogecoin. So if you look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we're still at 55,416. This is on the weekly Bitstamp chart. Remember, different exchanges have different slippage, so you're going to see different prices. Okay, so don't beat me up in the comments, because people are like, hey, this is that price and that price, because different exchanges have different slippage, guys. That's how they make their money, right? Because if they sold you the Bitcoin exactly the same price, and then they'd only make money on the fees. But they have 2 or 3% in there for slippage. That way, not only do they make money on the fees, but they also make money on the slippage. And that's how they do it, right? That's how they make money. Exchanges need to make money. They need to eat. They need to eat. So here it is, guys. We're seeing, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we're seeing a huge bull flag right now. And Bitcoin has broken out of this bull flag formation, and it's gone all the way up. And today, it went as high as 55,400. Now on the Binance 1 hour chart, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $54,950. That's almost at 55,000. So it's looking pretty good in the membrane. So this is a huge, huge pattern. And so, where do I see that we're breaking out to? If we take this pattern, if we measure from the top to, if we measure from the bottom of the flagpole to the top, then this looks like we're going to be taking us all the way up here. And looks like we could be going up to about $61,000. So that's where I think, that's where the next stop is for Bitcoin. Sure, there's going to be some ups and downs, some zigzaggies on the way. But if this pattern plays out, it looks like we could be looking at a $61,000 Bitcoin in the short term. And now, if we go back to the daily chart, I have talked to you about the huge cup and handle pattern here. And if this huge cup and handle pattern also performs as it should be, we should be seeing $74,000 coming in. So the short term on the 1 hour, we're seeing on the 1 hour chart, we're seeing this huge bull flag. We're seeing this whole bull flag. Bull flag. Well, I can't say bull flag. What's wrong with it? Bull flag? Bull flag. We're seeing this whole bull flag pattern was formed, and now we're breaking out to the upside from that. So nobody's really talking about it, but this is huge, guys. This is and a breakout from a bull flag is very, very positive, very, very bullish, guys. So this is really good news. And then the other great news I've talked to you guys about is if we look at Doge. Now, remember, Doge is trading right now at 25.10, and I drew these Elliott wave patterns here. Hopefully, you guys can see it, and I'm not having good luck with the charts the past couple of days. So if we look at this Elliott wave pattern as I drew it out there, we are following the Elliott wave pattern exactly as the OG predicted. So we went up from here to the first wave formation. We went down as predicted. Now we're moving up to the third level. So we should be, I believe, pretty soon, around 10th or 11th of October, we should be back up to 30 cents. Once we hit 30 cents, we're going to have a little bit of resistance up there. We're going to get rejected, probably go down to 27 cents, which is going to become huge support soon for Dogecoin. And then once we hit that, we're going to consolidate over there, and then we're going to bounce way past there. This is going to become this will become support again, and we won't see this. We will not see Dogecoin collapsing to 30 cents for a long time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank goodness for that. And then hopefully we should see by the end of October or the middle of October, we should see approximately 35 cents incoming. So that's what's happening. Looks like the Dogecoin fractal is following the Elliott wave formation exactly to a T, and we could see ourselves having a huge breakout to the upside. And I'm pretty sure that we're going to be closing at 35 cents. So a lot of people saying, well, Dogecoin is not moving, Dogecoin is no good, Dogecoin is garbage. It's not, guys. It's a slow mover. Yes, I agree with you. It's a slow mover. 100% agree on that. But Dogecoin is being very, very methodical. It's being very steady. It's being very sure of itself. And you can see right here that we have this whole huge descending triangle that goes all the way from May, SNL. We've broken down, and now we're starting to move. And you can see the Doge goes in these waves. Sure, the overall trend is being down, but now we're breaking ourselves out of that trend, and we're going in upward momentum, and we're seeing some upward movement. And you can see that, you know, at the point of breakout of this huge multi-month descending triangle, we should have a huge upside, guys. So stop panicking, stop wetting the bed, stop being weak Nancy's, and stop complaining, guys. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen and go buy Starbucks stocks, okay, guys? Come on, get out of there. All right, guys, so let's take a look at Ethereum in the house right now. So Ethereum is also looking pretty good right now. This is Ethereum on the daily. This is a Binance daily chart. Let me just make that bigger for it. So Ethereum is printing some positive pattern. It's basically gone back inside my channel. And I did say if we go back inside our channel, we're going to definitely pump. And it looks like you know, and I have our measure target. It looks like $5,000 is the holy grail. And it looks like that we're moving exactly back into that channel. And Ethereum is at $3,629 right now. Let me zoom that up. Let me zoom that so you can see exactly as I told you guys, we're back in that channel right now. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we're moving back in the channel, and this is going to take us all the way up to the top side here, guys. It's going to take us all the way up to the top side. Looking pretty good. And remember, Ethereum on the weekly has this huge cup and handle pattern as well for me. So that's really bullish news. 5,000, it's absolutely going to come in, guys. You just got to be patient. A lot of people say, is it still a good time to buy Ethereum? Yes, I believe that my target for Ethereum by the end of the year is still 10,000. So you got a lot of room to grow. And I believe that if you're gonna hold on to some assets for long term, Ethereum, Bitcoin are huge assets that you want to hold on to, dollar cost average over time. And you know, even next year after the bull run's over and they do go down a little bit, when we have the next halving, they're going to pump up. So you know, you need to look at, you know, your crypto asset class. Ask yourself how long you're going to hold it. You're going to have some long-term holders that you just hodl, don't care if it goes up and down, and hold it for years and years and years. Yes, you should have some of those, and then you should also have some crypto assets that you take profits on. Go to stable coins, USDC, not Tether, and buy more on the dip. So you know, for me, Tether, I believe that Tether is a long-term hold, and I think in the next 5 years we could see Ethereum. Ethereum could be at, you know, $25,000-$30,000 in the next 5 to 6 years, guys. So I'm in no hurry. I'm absolutely in no hurry. I'm not desperate, and this is basically, I'm holding this for life-changing wealth, and not for me, for my son. So when my son gets older, he don't need to work no more. He can do what he wants. He wants to be a painter, fine. He wants to go surfing, go do that. If you want to become a brain surgeon, go do that. But you don't have to worry about. I don't want him to worry about his financial freedom. I want him to be totally free and do what he wants. He wants to be a painter, sit on the beach in Bali and paint and surf. Go for it, bro. You know what I mean? That's all I gotta say. So guys, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe if you want, and leave a comment in the house. So let's take a look at ADA. ADA is breaking to the upside. We got this this bull flag that's forming. I think you know, hopefully that when we pass over the crypto to the people in America, they can take higher and higher and send ADA up to the promised land. And hopefully we can hit $2.40 by the end of this weekend. You guys got to do it for us out there. We're seeing that Solana is breaking to the upside finally, and finally it's breaking to the upside. And right now Solana's at $163. Get blind as bad as I get old. And you know, if we put this to point of breakout right here, which is really good news, point of breakout right here in this descending triangle. So it looks like we could be seeing $186 coming in very shortly. Hopefully we can get ourselves up to $180 this weekend. Maybe by Monday we can close. So it's looking pretty good. You're seeing that right now. You know, the Shiba Inu has collapsed, and it's still giving up a lot of profit. So you're seeing that a lot of retail investors that aped into SHIB have took out their profits, and they're now moving it into altcoins. And also some people, and also we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance coming down a little bit, so we're seeing more people moving some of the liquidity out of Bitcoin into the alts. So that's another reason that we're seeing things pump. So Avalanche is pumping right now. It's at $64, and that's good. You know, we had this, we broke down from this here, and this actually formed the neckline of a W pattern. So this W pattern right here, guys, and we have broken to the upside on this W pattern here and here, and the neckline is about right there. So we're looking pretty good now. So hopefully we can move ourselves up out of here, and things are going to be looking good. So now it looks like, you know, if we take this line as support, we can actually see that we have another descending triangle within this larger triangle right here. So it looks pretty good, and if we can continue the breakout above here, then that's going to be pretty peachy keen. That's going to be pretty good, guys. So it looks like we have another descending triangle that's forming along this neckline that I talked, this support line that I drew earlier. So it's looking pretty good, looking peachy keen. So let's take a look at the markets and let you guys get out of here. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap is 2.38 trillion. I told you we're going to get to 2.5. You can take that to the bank. Our volumes are good. Our volumes are starting to picking up, guys. My Bitcoin dominance is still too high, 43.88. We need the dominance to come down, guys. We absolutely need to come down, down. And once that happens, we're going to start to see the alts actually take off, guys. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is on fire. It's at $55,446. I'm tongue-tied today. I don't know what's going on with me. And it's up 2.73%. So, you know, you're seeing the markets are frothy, foaming. And we're going to be going to the promised land, guys. And we're seeing that Ethereum is coming back as well. It's in play and it's at $3,632, and that's up 2.43%. ADA is slightly down. You know, it took off and it kind of collapsed a little bit, but I think this will turn around, and it's at $2.29. BNB is at $436, and that's down 1.12%, guys. And Solana in the house is coming back finally. Thank you. DOT is positive. Solana is at 163, just in case I missed it. It's up 5%. So, and DOT is at 1.4%, and that's at 33.62. And Doge is doing good, guys. It's at 25 cents. We're up at 2.63%. So we're pretty much in line with where Bitcoin is going. So I wouldn't panic. Luna's up again. It's at $45, and it's up 3%. SHIB is down 30%. So hopefully you guys who FOMO'd in the last minute, you guys got out before the bottom fell out. All right, guys. So everything's looking pretty good. We're seeing that you know, most of altcoins are coming back alive now. Matic is pumping away, and it's at $1.42. That's up 11%. So it's still up for the 30 days. So it's looking good. Atom is up. So things are looking. Vet. Come on, Vet, get going. So things are looking okay. I think we're going to see a lot more pumpage, and I think that, you know, the tip of the iceberg for the altcoins to absolutely pump is going to be in November. And 63K is absolutely incoming for Bitcoin. So guys, don't panic. Things were getting there. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Right now we got 2,546 followers. Follow me. Don't miss a trick. Get the news, get the tips. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. And guys and gals, just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Congratulations. You made it if you're watching this. And also, guys and gals, I'm working for you. I'm doing this for you. Without you in YouTube land, this channel would be nothing. So it's all up to you. So show some love, show some respect. And remember, smash the likes of OG, subscribe, YB, and give me some comment, give me some feedback. I want to get the feedback. So we need to get 1,000 likes in this video. Let's see if we can help the OG push this down to 1,000 likes, guys. Get it while you can. Let's get 1,000 likes in there. You're gonna love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. And with that being said, don't forget to follow my Linky Winkies. This is not financial advice. And remember, support the channel, become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, become a channel member, guys. All of these things, the Patreons, the coffees, the channel membership, all goes to charity. You've seen the video. Watch it. This is where it goes. Also, all the merch sales also goes to charity, guys. So don't forget to check out the merch. We got lots of merch, guys. We got hats. We got hoodies, we got t-shirts, beautiful t-shirts, we got polo shirts. I like the polo shirt. Look at you, look smart and cool. We're driving around in California wearing your OG gear. Guys, get geared up with the OG gear. And don't forget to check out my backpack. And guys, the water bottle. And don't forget the mug, guys. The mug is full of joy. It's right here in real life. I love the mug. You love the mug. You know you want the mug. What? You know you want it. What are you waiting for? And don't forget to smash the likes. As always, smash those likes. Smash up the likes. Get it while you can. I'm going crazy for the likes because it tells the YouTube algorithm that you love this channel. And guys, don't forget to check out the Zen Music, the wife's channel. And remember, if you subscribe over there, put in a comment that you came over from the OG channel. We'll give you a big shout out. And so that's it, guys. That's it for the video. Just want to say God bless each and everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for being here. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. And remember, spread the good news, guys. Spread the good vibe and make every second count. Live life like it's your last moment and make everything count, guys. And spread the positive vibe. I love it. You love it. Woo! Let's get it, guys.